And here we go. Final two boxes of the night. Tudor, box of SP Authentic Hockey and Playbook Hockey coming at you. Here we go. SPA first. Good. I need some decoys. Black, I believe I ordered some. Not a ton, though. Not near as much as I did this past year, for obvious reasons. Yuri Sekic, retro rookie. I mean, definitely, though, because especially with Topps, man, whenever a product's bad one year, the next year I always feel good about it. Jaromir Jagr update. So, static playbook is 75. All in. Justin Williams for the Kings. Authentic moments. I do not remember Black. I have it in one of my spreadsheets when I ordered it, but I don't remember what it was. Roberto Luongo. I think it was similar to previous years, though. Adam Clendenning. Young Guns rookie. Beautiful. Ryan Murphy, Sign of the Times autograph. That's from 13-14. Bobby Orr. That's an update autograph. John Vanbiesbrook, Authentic Moments. Chris, you have a good one, man. Jonathan Taves, Authentic Moments insert with a Torrey Krug retro. Future Watch of Johan Sundstrom to $9.99. We're holding off on our autos. Future Watch of Sam Carrick to $9.99. Brandon Saad update. Julian Brouillette, Young Gun. Saving our autos. Holy cow. Here's one. Laurent Brossois, number to $9.99. Future Watch autograph. There's two. Wayne Gretzky, retro for the Oilers. Future Watch autograph, Darnell Nurse, Oilers Hotbox. Authentic moments of Jonathan Drouin. Authentic moments of Hasek and Forsberg. Rick Nash, retro for the Rangers. Ooh, sick. Tom Barrasso? Tom Barrasso, retro die cut autograph. Black? Yeah, I might throw that up for tomorrow night. Why not? And a future watch of Brian Rust to $9.99. All right, so there's the first box. Nice retro auto there at the end. So you got 4 autographs out of that. Probably team pick. I don't know. We have been on a random tear lately. Got a thinning. Holy cow. I think your booklet's a redemption. There's no way there's a booklet in here. Yeah, definitely not a booklet in here. It's a redemption. Taylor Hall, 11 of 25. Gold base. Matt Stajan to 99 jersey. And first round edition booklet, Jonathan Huberdeau. Very nice. Jonathan Huberdeau. So there you have it, Chris.